At Be Like Brit, we are building a 19,000 square foot orphanage that is earthquake proof. It's built with survivability practices, the same seismic standards as San Francisco. And we have designed a building for 33 boys and 33 girls where we have 6 missionary rooms, which we call Brittionary rooms. We have 2 open courtyards, and the building is shaped in the letter B for Brittany.
Every dollar that they give us goes directly to the construction of Brittany's orphanage, and that it is directly helping the people. This week's payroll was 85 Haitian workers, which means 85 families, which means that they get to eat, they get to go to school, and their families are better off.
Last year at this time, we were just coming out of the ground with the foundation, and today the first floor is complete. We're pouring concrete on the second floor.
There's progress at the Be Like Brit Foundation, and there's also a lot of progress in Haiti. But I will say that the spirit of the people in Haiti has not changed. It's been they're positive, good people, and so they're the ones that motivate us.
Our goal is to celebrate the opening of Brit's Orphanage on the 3rd anniversary of the Haiti earthquake, January 12, 2013.
It's very important to us that Brit's spirit is in the orphanage and in the day-to-day. And Brittany loved life, and so we want to make sure that that's in the orphanage.
We feel honored that they recognize Brittany's humanitarian efforts in Haiti, and at the same time to name this award after her as a parent. It's something we're very proud of.
Brit would be amazed with what Abdi is doing, and we're so proud to have Brittany Gengel's Humanitarian Award given to Abdi to see what he is doing to help children that need extra help, like Brittany was trying to do and what we're trying to do. It's a perfect connection, and he's going to make such a positive impact on all of these children and in the area that he's in, like we're hoping to do in Haiti. So we're really proud to give this award to Abdi.